Hi everyone. Let me give you a short introduction on the new Traco.com website. The first thing is you see if you enter the website is actually that your location is being pre-selected for you based on your IP, meaning based where you are entering the website from. In my case, it's Switzerland, but if I continue Switzerland, the website will switch to German and to the Swiss website. So for demonstration purposes, I just close it. Normally, of course, you can simply click on continue and then the right website is being shown to you. Having said that, there is also another important thing for you to know. We have created basically 5 different websites for each subsidiary of Traco Power. There is an own website. They all look the same. The language is different, but basically they look all the same, but they could technically be customized. Again, for demonstration purposes, I stay on the international website. So how is it built up? You see here a banner with key messages of some good things we do or interesting project. This is randomized, so you see always a different banner. Then here we have direct links to find and compare DC-DC converters, AC-DC power supplies, or find a distributor or need support. Further down you see latest news and NPIs. And last but not least, like very cool success stories from great application which run thanks to Traco Power products. On the bottom we have the footer with all the links again and the possibility to sign up for the newsletter. Okay. How do you search for products? You have 3 possibilities. You go to products, and you can search by industry, you can search by category, or you can do the custom search, meaning parametric search. I will quickly guide you through all the possibilities to search for a product. Let's start with medical and healthcare, so search by industry. Internet is a little slow right now. Okay, here we go. You can, the main goal of the website was actually to reduce dramatically the amount of clicks in order to find your right products. So here you're on the medical healthcare landing page, short introduction to the whole product portfolio. Then you can switch. Do I want to see the AC/DC power supplies or DC/DC converters? Let's go for DC/DC converters. Then you see the whole Traco Power DC/DC portfolio for medical. What you see here are the series sorted by power, so from small to high, or from low to high, input, output, short description, and the data sheet here, which can be directly downloaded by clicking on this button. If you click on that little triangle here, that's a very cool thing, then all the models from the series opens up and you see them right on this page. They're highlighted in a light gray, so you can see like where a new series starts. A cool feature certainly is that you can add those models, of course not the series, but the models with individual specs to your compare list by clicking on these arrows. Here you can open, for example, another series and add more products to your, let's say, compare basket. If you click then on the compare function, you see the selected products here on one page in a tablet form. You can very easily compare the different values. Also here you have the possibility to download right away the data sheet of the products, or you can remove it from the list if you wish so. Okay, then what else can we do? Let me go in to the series page. So you can either go directly from here onto the series page or to the model page. Series page looks like this. Model page looks quite similar, but has different, slightly different content. Let me start with the series page. So on the series page, you see the title, the picture, short description, all the documents for the series, also the data sheets. You see the product life cycle or the product status. You have similar series. If you click on that, on the bottom, we have listed all the series which are similar to that one. Then you see all the features, the conformities and declarations which can for that or which are valid for this product. You can open the accordion and download the declaration. In this tableau, you see all the models in this series. Also here, you still have the possibility to add those to the compare basket. Whatever you have searched before is still in there. So as long as you're on the website, it memorizes what you have been looking for. Also here, you have the possibility to download directly the data sheet. Okay, let me go to a model page. There's several ways to access a model page. For example, this one. Then you see also a short description, documents, data sheet. You can add this particular model to the compare list and compare it. Also product lifecycle specifications you see of this particular model in a tabular form. Then very cool feature is this where to buy. You see the stock of our high service distributors. This is real time, so we have direct access to their ERP system. If you click on visit distributor, you actually end up on the exact landing page of these products from the distributor. Here the pre-selection is made from the country you're accessing the website from. If you go, for example, to USA, it will look different. You have some distributor, they show also the days on additional stock, how long it will take to restock their warehouse with this particular product, which can be very helpful. Conformity I went through. Yes, for some products, I try to find you one. We do have with an external party 3D viewer, 3D files. Again, for only some of them we're working to get more. By clicking on this button, you have then the 3D view of a product and you can look at it, which is quite a cool feature. Okay. Possibility 2 to find a product is search by a category. For example, you go to DC/DC. Big difference is we have made like subcategories. For example, you want to search for a deep PCB module 1 to 60 watt. Click on this subcategory and then all the products are listed in the same tabella like you already know. Also here, direct data sheet download, clicking on the arrow, the accordion opens, and then you can add the models to your comparison list. Quite easy. Last but not least, product finder. Don't think product finder you can make selection It's pretty self-explanatory, self-explaining. My apologies. Make all the selections. By the way, you can open here the advanced filters. They're not shown by default. You can open it and then all the products are shown. If you open, then all the series are shown, which have all these parameters. If you open then the series, then you see this is actually a good example. You see all the models, but only the models which fulfill all these, which fulfill all the parameters you have selected. Only they are highlighted blue and have this little green tick. All the other ones which almost fulfill it, they're shown as they belong to the series, but they're not highlighted in blue. Switch here between AC/DC and DC/DC. Last thing, can contact Traco Power for customized products. We have a known company with around 30 employees up in Ireland, which spend most of their time for creating customized power supply for customers. Okay, that's pretty much it. On the company, you have like about Traco Power, Development and Customization Center, for example. This is what I just mentioned. Company in Ireland, very good description of what they do, brochures to download. Here more explanation like how they do certification, verifications, tests, safety and compliance, and so on and so on, and a big call to action button to get in touch with them. Also availability, we describe something, conformity and regulatory. You have them all on one list, like compliance and regulatory, use code of conduct, short explanation, a short description, and then the possibility to download the respective file. Also conformities and certificates, and new standard and directives, for example, for the medical products. Those are all the standard and directives which we fulfill with our medical portfolio. And then you can download also the Traco Power, the medical overview directly, if you like to do so. Traco Power locations. See here all the Traco Power offices worldwide, inclusive the address and picture. And further on the bottom, the worldwide distributor network. And that's actually quite a good overview. Like if you click here or here, it does exactly the same. So let's go for America, for example. You choose a country, USA. It's actually pre-selected if you do that geo-targeting at the very beginning. Then you see all the distributors address, for example, in the United States. All the high service distributors there, and the responsible Traco Power office, for example, for custom power supply requests. So you see them all here. And you have worldwide all the addresses of the distribution partners in this country. By the way, on the company website, we also show a success story here that changes all the time. Whatever we want to highlight, we show here, and I have the career section. Click on that. Then you see worldwide what job openings we're having open. Okay, contact and support, we went through that. You have media and document center. Click on that. You have full access to all our, let's say, digital assets like the selection guides, the catalog, which can be downloaded. You can request for printed brochures. We have the technical articles, which can be downloaded. For example, the challenge of powering industrial IoT applications. Click on that. It's being downloaded. and then you have immediate access to those very, very helpful technical articles. Application flyers, exactly the same, company brochures, product direct access, where you can look up a product or search for a product, TPP, and then download, for example, the data sheet directly. There is also this feature we have also used at a different point. I will come to that. Certificates, pretty much the same. Yeah. What else do we have? Frequently asked question, media contact, which links it to the user to marketing at tracopower.com, and also here direct access to technical support, like a very big button. News events and MPIs. Here we have all the news and MPIs and events, like everything listed. You can filter, for example, only for news, or for MPIs, then only those articles are shown to you. Here, as I said, the quick links. So I come already to the last point. Very, 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 very helpful feature, the search function. There's three possibilities. Either this is like a free text search. You can search, for example, for Traco Power Solution. Then it searches all documents and all websites. Search, and we see we have 5,999 search results on this website. And the most popular one are listed here. You have custom search, product finder, customized product, or probably the most helpful tool on this search function, the direct access to the products. For example, I look up a TBA one, click on that, come directly to the landing page, or even better, we just need the data sheet. You search for TBA, click on the data sheet, then it's being downloaded. All right, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, I'm open for a good discussion or helpful feedbacks from you. Yes, and have a good day.